Hi, today I'm for the ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the sound mode section, and just to activate the sound you should switch ring to the silent. We can see when the silent mode is activated, all our ringtones and notifications they will be muted. When we'll just turn it off, we'll switch it to the ring mode. We can see that our ringtones and notifications they will ring. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. We can just open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here I think the ring icon. Just click twice to the ring icon and let's switch to the silent mode. Just to turn it off, just click here once again on the silent mode icon. And also one more way how we can do that, just press up or down one button, then you will see here this bell icon. Click here twice. Now it's just changed to the crest bell, so notifications and calls will be muted, so that means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click once again on this crest bell and it's switched to the regular one. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.